Welcome back to Ageless, your source for tips and tricks to stay youthful and vibrant. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain your ageless vitality, walking. We'll explore how many steps you should take each day, the incredible benefits of walking, and practical tips to help you incorporate more steps into your life. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the incredible benefits of walking. It's not just a stroll in the park, it's a path to better health. Walking improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. It's like a natural elixir for your heart. Weight management is another perk. Walking burns calories and helps you maintain a healthy body weight. But it's not just about the body, walking does wonders for your mind too. It reduces stress, boosts your mood, and clears your mind. It's like a mental spa day. And for those worried about their joints, no need to fret. Walking is gentle on the joints, improving flexibility and reducing the risk of arthritis. Plus, it's your secret energy booster. Walking regularly can help you feel more awake and alert throughout the day. Now, let's talk about setting your personal walking goals. It's essential to keep you motivated and on track. Start small if you're new to walking. Aim for 2,000 to 3,000 steps per day. It's your baby step to a healthier you. As you get comfortable, gradually increase your daily step count. Our general target? A solid 10,000 steps a day. Remember, be realistic. Your goals should align with your fitness level, age, and schedule. It's all about progress, not perfection. Let's make it even easier. Here are some practical tips to help you walk more every day. When running errands or going to work, park your car farther from your destination to add more walking to your day. Those extra steps add up. Opt for stairs over elevators whenever possible. Climbing stairs is an excellent way to increase your step count. Use your lunch break for a brisk walk. Invite a coworker for some extra motivation. And next time you're on the phone, walk and talk. Instead of sitting while on the phone, pace around the room or take your calls outside for a walk. It's multitasking at its finest. To ensure you're on the right track, follow these activity guidelines recommended by experts. According to the American Heart Association, AHA, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, each week. This translates to about 7,000 to 8,000 steps a day. Tracking your steps is an excellent way to monitor your progress and stay accountable. Many smartphones come equipped with step tracking apps, or you can invest in a fitness tracker. Popular apps like Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit can help you keep tabs on your daily step count. It's like having a personal motivator. Ready to take it up a notch? Try these tips to get more steps. Start your day with a morning walk to boost your energy and set a positive tone for the day. Walk to the grocery store, walk your dog, or walk to visit friends. Find reasons to incorporate walking into your daily routine. Set hourly reminders to get up and walk around if you have a sedentary job. And finally, the magic number of steps may vary by age. Here's a quick guide. For children and adolescents, aim for 12,000 to 16,000 steps per day to support healthy growth. As adults, 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day can maintain overall health and vitality. Seniors, don't worry, 7,000 to 8,000 steps per day can help you maintain mobility and independence. Walking is a simple yet powerful way to improve your physical and mental health. Setting achievable goals, incorporating easy tips, and tracking your steps can help you make walking a regular part of your routine. Whether you're young or old, taking the recommended number of steps for your age group can contribute to a healthier and more active life. So, lace up your sneakers, step out, and take those strides toward a healthier you. Thanks for tuning in to Way to Ageless. Until next time, stay young at heart.